Today I'm going to show you how to make a slider envelope. This is the envelope. You can refer to my previous video how to make an envelope, and here this is a slider envelope. As you can see, it just slides. You can write your message here or stamp your message. As you can see, I've stamped a message here, celebrate, and you can make a slider envelope and decorate the way you want to decorate. So for this we will be needing one envelope. You will be needing a scoring tool, pencil, a paper cutter, ruler, a bone folder, double tape, a cutter, a punch, and a glue. We need a pattern paper and cardstock. I have done some pre-prep. The cardstock that you need is 10 cm by 11 cm. We need two of the same identical papers for front and back. Pattern papers you need, one is 9.5 cm by 10 cm and 11 cm by 9 cm. I've done the cuttings, so let's start making the slider envelope. The first step in making is you take a cardstock and a pattern paper of size 9.5 cm by 10 cm, and we will stick the two like this, but we are going to put the glue only on the edges, right at the corners. As you can see, I'm putting a very thin layer of glue only at the ends. We don't want to stick the entire paper. Now as you can see, I've just put the glue at the ends, and you need to stick the pattern paper on the paper. After this is done, now we will measure 1.5 cm from all four sides and make a small square in the center. We will measure 1.5 cm from the cardstock, not from the pattern paper but from the cardstock. As you can see, I have marked all four sides 1.5 cm. Now what you need to do is we will just cut 1, 2 and the base. We will slit the 3 lines, keeping the above line intact. As you can see, this is slit open and this two part is separate. Now we will mark 1 cm from the base. From here we will mark 1 cm to make one fold, and we will mark from this end where we marked 1.5 centimeter line. From here we will mark 3.1 centimeter. We will first put 1 centimeter mark in the scoring tool. We are just going to mark here and this line. This makes the folding little easier. We will make the valley fold of the bottom line like this, and the mountain fold for the center. So it should look something like this. Now we are going to stick the two papers together. So as you can see, this is complete, this is done. Now let it dry for some time. Let the two papers stick. So now you invert the paper, and the base line we'll put a double tape. On the base line, like this, it's separated. Remove the paper. The another pattern paper that we took 11 by 9 centimeters, we will put this right on the double tape. We have to make sure that this line is well aligned. If you can see, it's absolutely same and aligned. This is going to be our card. So now as you can see, we need to just make our folds proper. Okay, and now if you want, you can leave the paper so long, or if you want, you can trim the edges. The other cardstock that we took, we are going to put at the back and seal it. We're just going to put it at the back, but please remember here again, the glue has to be put right at the edge. We are going to stick the cardstock. As you can see, it's very easy and it is almost done. By the time we take the paper cutter, the punch, we punch the end, we punch the end to give a beautiful look. You can use any shape punch. to give a nice and a beautiful look. The envelope that we made, we will stick this entire thing on the envelope with the double tape. After putting the double tape, this is how we stick on the envelope, and our slider envelope is ready. You can decorate the way you want to decorate. You can put your embellishments here, you can put your message here, and you can decorate this portion also. Decoration and embellishments is up to absolutely on you. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so very much.